In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to convert the infix expression into postfix expression. So before conversion, before starting the example, let's understand the basic terms related to the conversion. So here, first of all, let's see what is meant by operator and what is operand. There are some of the operators which are common when we solve the expression, and these operators are left parenthesis, right parenthesis, exponential, multiplication, division, plus and minus. So these are some of the common operators. Generally these operators are used in expressions. Now what is meant by operand? Operand may be any alphabet either in capital letter or small letter. So it may be a capital AB up to Z, small AB up to Z, or sometimes the operand may be a digit 1, 2, 3 up to N. So this is called as a operand. So these are the basic terms, operator and operand. Whenever you solve the expression, in that expression the operator is given and the operand is given. Now let's see what is meant by infix, postfix or prefix. So what is meant by infix expression? If the operator comes in between operand, so this type of expression is called as a infix expression. When the operator comes before operand, then it is called as a prefix expression. Here plus comes before the operand, that is A and B. So this type of expression is called as a prefix expression. Now what is meant by postfix? If the operator comes after operand, then it is called as a postfix expression. I hope you understand this. Operator comes in between operand, then that type of expression is called infix. If operator comes before operand, then that type of expression is called as a prefix. And if the operator comes after operand, then that type of expression is called as a postfix. Okay, now let's see what is meant by priority of operator. Which operator has highest priority and which operator has lowest priority. So the priority of operator term is useful when we are going to do the conversion. So the highest priority operators are left parenthesis, right parenthesis and exponential operator. These three operators have highest priority. Generally, left parenthesis and right parenthesis is not considered in this hierarchy, but still we are going to consider it. So left parenthesis, right parenthesis and exponential have a highest priority. Then the second highest priority operators are multiplication and division, and the last one are plus and minus. So this is a priority of operator. The highest priority operator is exponential, then multiplication, division and then plus and minus. So whenever we solve the expression, we have to consider the priority of that operator. Now let's see some of the rules for conversion of infix to postfix expression. So the first rule we have to consider is a priority of operator. I already said that the highest priority operator is exponential. Then the second is multiplication, division, and the third one is plus and minus. The second rule says that no two operators of the same priority can stay together in stack. For example, there is already a one operator in a stack and that is a plus. Then suppose there is a minus operator which comes. Plus and minus have the same priority, so both cannot stay together in stack. In this case, we first remove plus from the stack and then we place minus into the stack. So whenever this condition happens where the same priority operator come together in stack, then that time we have to remove the topmost operator and the new operator we are going to push into the stack. Let's consider another example. Here multiplication operator is already in stack and the division operator comes. So multiplication and division both have same priority. If we want to insert or push division into the stack, so first we have to remove the multiplication. So here we remove multiplication and then we place division into the stack. So this is a rule. No two operators of the same priority can stay together in stack. This rule is only for conversion of infix to postfix. Now the third rule is low priority operator cannot be placed above the high priority operator. We already discussed about the priority of operator. So the third rule says that low priority operator cannot be placed above the high priority operator. It can be placed below the high priority operator, but it cannot be placed above the high priority operator. For example, if there is already multiplication operator in a stack and then plus operator comes, but multiplication operator has a highest priority and plus has a lowest priority, so the lowest priority operator cannot be placed above the high priority operator. So in this case we have to first remove multiplication from the stack and then we have to place plus into the stack. Let's see another example. Suppose there is already a exponential operator in a stack and for example division operator comes. If we want to push division into the stack, division has lowest priority than exponential. So first we have to remove the operator exponential and then we can place division operator into the stack. So this is a third rule, that low priority operator cannot be placed above the high priority operator. If there is already a low priority operator and the high priority operator comes, for example multiplication, then both the operators can stay together. But if the low priority operator comes and there is already a high priority operator in stack, then they cannot be placed together. Okay, now let's add the fourth rule. Suppose there is a left parenthesis and there is some operator, for example multiplication, and then there is a right parenthesis. So when this type of condition occurs, when there is a left parenthesis and right parenthesis and in between the parenthesis there is a operator, then it cancels. The multiplication is directly placed into the postfix expression. Again take one example. Suppose there is a left parenthesis and there are two operators, for example multiplication and exponential, and then there is a right parenthesis. So in stack there is multiplication first and at the top of the stack there is a exponential. So multiplication and exponential both are in left parenthesis and right parenthesis, so this get cancels. The topmost operator will get popped first and then the multiplication. So this is the fourth rule. I hope you understand. Now let's solve the example. Let's start from a very basic example. A simple example is given: a plus b multiplied by c. You can easily identify that which type of expression it is. It is an infix expression because the operator is in between operand. Now we have to convert this infix expression into postfix. So when we convert the infix expression into postfix, let's make three columns. The first column is a symbol, then the second column is a stack, and third column is postfix expression. Okay. Here we are going to scan each and every symbol. If the operator comes, then it get pushed into the stack, and if operand comes, then it get insert into the postfix expression. So let's start from a very first symbol, that is a. So a is an operand, so it directly goes to the postfix expression. Then it comes the plus. Now plus is an operator, so it goes to the stack, and here a as it is. Then it comes b. So b is an operand, so it goes to here. There is already a, so place b, and here plus is as it is. Then it comes the multiplication. So here is already plus and then multiplication comes. So plus has low priority and multiplication has highest priority. So both can stay together. If there is already a multiplication and then plus comes, so low priority operator is plus and multiplication has a high priority. So low priority operator cannot be placed above the high priority operator. But here there is first plus operator which has low priority, and above low priority operator a high priority operator can be placed. So plus and multiplication can stay together, and here the postfix expression is a and b. Now the next symbol is c. So c directly goes to the postfix expression, and here is a plus and multiplication. Now we reach to the end of an expression. So here we have to pop the operators from the stack. So how to pop? This is a stack, and here first operator is plus and the second one is a multiplication. Then here the expression is ABC. Now the rule of stack is last in first out. Last inserted operator is multiplication, it get pop first, so here is a multiplication and then the plus. Therefore, the postfix expression is ABC multiplication plus. So this is a conversion of infix to postfix expression. Now let's see another example. Again, the example is given. Left parenthesis a multiplied by b, then right parenthesis plus, again left parenthesis c multiplied by d, and then right parenthesis. Now make three columns. The first column is a symbol. We have to scan each and every symbol in an expression. The second one is a stack, and the third one is a postfix expression, because we are going to convert the infix expression into the postfix. Now let's start from the very first symbol, and that is a left parenthesis. So left parenthesis is an operator, so it directly goes to the stack. Then the next symbol is A. A is an operand, so it goes to the postfix expression, and here is a left parenthesis. Then there is a multiplication. Left parenthesis, multiplication is an operator, so it goes into the stack, and here is an A. Now there is a B, symbol B. So stack is as it is, and B directly goes to the postfix expression. Then it comes the right parenthesis. Okay, so here is a left parenthesis, multiplication, and then comes the right parenthesis, and here is AB. So we already discussed the fourth rule. If this type of condition occurs where there is a left parenthesis and right parenthesis, in between there is an operator, then it get cancelled, and here we place multiplication. Now the next operator is plus. So plus directly goes into the stack, and here is AB multiplication. Now again there is a left parenthesis. So left parenthesis directly goes into the stack because it is an operator. So here is already plus and left parenthesis, and here is AB multiplication. Now there is a C. C is a operand, so it goes to postfix expression. Okay. Then it comes the multiplication. So here is plus, left parenthesis, and then multiplication, and the postfix expression is AB multiplication C. Now it comes D. So stack is as it is, and here D goes to postfix expression because it is a operand. So here is AB multiplication C D. Okay. Now the next symbol is right parenthesis. So here we have already in stack, that is plus, left parenthesis, multiplication, and then we insert right parenthesis, and here the postfix expression is AB multiplication CD. Now here multiplication is in between left parenthesis and right parenthesis, so it get cancelled and placed into the postfix expression. Now we reach up to the end of expression, and we have only one operator remaining in a stack, so it goes to the postfix expression. So our expression is AB multiplication CD multiplication plus. So this is a postfix expression for the above infix expression. Okay, let's solve another example. The expression is given A plus B multiplied by C divided by D minus E. So again make three columns. The first one is a symbol. We have to scan each and every symbol one by one. Then the second column is for stack, and the third one is a postfix expression. Okay, so if operand comes, then it goes to the postfix expression, and if operator comes, then it goes to the stack. So the first symbol we are going to scan is A. We go from left to right and scan each and every symbol. So the first symbol is A. It directly goes to the postfix expression. The second one is a plus. It goes to stack. The postfix expression is as it is. Then there is a B. Here is a plus, and B goes to postfix expression. Now it comes multiplication. So here is already plus, low priority operator, and multiplication is a high priority operator. So both can stay together in stack. And the postfix expression is AB. Now the next symbol is C. So here is plus multiplication. C directly goes to postfix expression because it is a operand. Now the next symbol is division. Okay, so here if we place division here, then in stack we have plus multiplication and division. Now multiplication and division both have same priority, and our second rule says that no two operators of the same priority can stay together in stack. First we have to remove multiplication. So we remove multiplication from stack and insert it into the postfix expression, and here we have plus and division. Okay, now the next symbol is D. D is an operand, so it directly goes to the postfix expression, and here we have plus and division. Then the next symbol which comes is a minus. Okay, now if minus goes into the stack, then here division has a highest priority and minus has lowest priority. Our rule says that the lowest priority operator cannot be placed above the highest priority operator. So to place minus into the stack, we have to first remove division. So here our expression may be ABC multiplication D and division. But if we remove and place it into the postfix expression, then we have plus and minus. Our one rule says that the same priority operator cannot stay together in stack. So in this case, if we have to insert minus into the stack, we have to pop plus, and here is a minus. Okay, now the next one is E. Here is a minus. E directly goes to the postfix expression. Now we reach up to the end of expression and we have only one operator remaining in our stack. So we pop it and directly place it into the postfix expression. So this is our postfix expression.